Welcome to the channel called CAD with Mr. Hugh. In today's video, we'll be looking at the epicycloid. And in the previous video, we looked at the construction of the cycloid. So for today's video, we'll be required to draw the epicycloid for one revolution based on the given measurements on the question that's shown on the screen. Then we're going to choose a point on the curve. Then we're going to draw normal and tangent at the point P. We aim to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online, and we thank you for joining us. Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hugh. In today's video, we'll be looking at the construction of the epicycloid. And in the next video, we'll be looking at the construction of the hypocycloid. So that's two videos. In the previous video, we looked at the construction of the cycloid. So you could visit that video after you have completed watching this one. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to draw a line which is equal to the radius of 180. So we're going to select the line command. We're going to turn on snap. And we're going to choose the center right here. And the radius of the line, the length of the line or the radius will be 180. And the angle would be 150. All right, enter. What we're going to do, we're going to center the drawing. All right. Now the next thing we're going to do, we're going to draw an arc. So we're going to go to start, center, end. This will be the center. The radius would be 180. And we're going to draw an arc coming right around. All right. The diameter of the circle is 90. So we're going to draw an arc which is 225 millimeters. So we're going to go center, start, in. Here's the center. So we need an arc 225 millimeters. There it is. All right. So that this arc represents the center for the circle going around. What we're going to do now, we're going to indicate the radius. All right. So we're going to go to radius. We're going to indicate this radius. We're going to turn off snap. So this radius is 180. All right. So what we're going to do, we're going to type the word extend, and we're going to click this line, and that where this line intersect this arc, this will be the center for the circle. So we're going to label single line text. I'm going to label this point. I'm going to turn off object snap. I'm going to label this point as O, right? And I'm also going to label this point down here. Oh, this is the center for the arc that we drew previously. All right. So the first thing we're going to do, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to draw a circle. So circle, need to turn on object snap. Enter. All right. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to extend this line. We're going to draw a line from here to there. Enter. And then we're going to extend this line to the other side of the circle. So type extend. And we're going to click this. All right, we're going to remove this line for the time being. All right. What we're going to do, we're going to go polar, array polar. We're going to select the object, which is this line. We press enter. The center point, the midpoint would be right there. Good. And here now we need 12 divisions. So what we're going to do, we're going to come up here and we're going to change 6 to 12. All right, there we have about 12 divisions. All right, we're going to draw a line from the center here, which is here, to there. Enter. All right? What we're going to do now, we're going to draw an arc. So we're going to go circle. We're going to go come here, center, radius there, enter. Enter to get the last command. The center will be here. Radius will be there, enter. Center, radius, enter. Center, radius, circle, center, radius, enter, center, radius, enter. What we're going to do now, we're going to draw another line across here, and then we're going to trim off those excess circles, okay? All right, so we're going to go line from this point. I'm going to draw a line right there. Enter. What we're going to do, we're going to trim off all of these arcs around here. So we're going to go trim, just like that. All right, good. Enter. All right, we're going to carry down this. All right, what we're going to do now, we're going to measure. We're going to measure this distance. So we're going to measure this distance. To go angular. Measure this distance. It's 23. So what we need 12 arcs coming around here, which is 23 millimeters. So we're gonna go arc, start, center, end. So we come here, 23, enter. I'll scribe that. Come back again, start, center, end. 23. All right, come again, center, 23. Come back again. I need 12 of these, okay? Come here, 23. I'm gonna come again, start, center, end. Well, center, start, end. 23. Center, start, end. '23. '23. '23. How many do I have so far? Count for me, no? That I'm gonna go again. How many did you count it? How many do we have so far? So go 23. I'm gonna count it now. So this would be 0. Let's label it. So I'm gonna turn off object snap, and this would be let's call this 0. This would be 0. This would be 1. This would be 2. This would be 3. This would be 4. This would be 5. 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many did you get? And the 12th one would be here. All right. Well, 12th one would be there. 12/0. Okay. Enter. All right. So let's do one more. So we're going to go start, center, end. So this, we need to turn on objects now. This would be 23. All right, so that's the last one, right? What we're going to do now, from the center, we're going to draw lines from these points to intersect the center line, all right? So the center line would be this one, right? So we're going to go line from this point to there, enter. 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 This point to there, enter. And we're going to go all the way around to the 12th arc that we drew, okay? Enter. All right, what we're going to do now, we're going to extend these lines to intersect the center line, which is this one. All right? So we're going to type extend. I'm going to see, as easy as that, okay? So where we had these points here, we can actually put them up there if we wanted, right? So this would be, we need to extend this one, good. So what you have is the center of the circle going around, right? We have come to the end of part 1 of the 3 videos covering the topic epicycloid. In the next video, we'll be completing the actual curve, which is the epicycloid, and we look forward to seeing you in part 2. Take care until we meet again. Bye. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.